most of our customers here actually students po talaga. As in parang about 70% I would say college students ranging from about 17 and up. So we have students na they are under their bachelor's degree. We have students na nandun sa master's and PhD nila, med students, law students, and usually ganun po yung nasa profile namin. Aside from that, maybe around 10 to 15% are office employees after office na go to, maybe after having dinner around Malinhawa, they would go for coffee. I think one advantage that we have over other coffee shops around the area is we close at 1 a.m. Usually they close around 11 p.m., 12 midnight. So we are open until 1 a.m. Kaya mas gusto nila to stay. Aside from that, we also offer Wi-Fi, free sockets. So it's favorable to students and other office employees. Siguro a small percentage na lang yung sa families. Some go to Malinhawa to yung food trip talaga with their whole family. Ayun. Initially when we started, we didn't have a target. Actually, yun nga, like Crystal mentioned, meron ng tatlong nakabo, okay na kami. Parang ganon. We just reached this amount of sales, okay na kami. Parang ganon. And then through the year, as days go by, doon na lang namin na-notice na, this coffee house is appealing to students more, diba? To the young professionals more. Maybe because of the vibe also, the difference with the interior compared to other coffee shops. Kasi usually yun yung nakikita namin when they post sa social media. Sa stories nila, they feature yung brick wall, they feature yung lights, they feature yung couch sa taas, the mirror, yun. So, the neon light, yan. So, usually yun yung nakikita nila. So, I think yun, mostly talaga nasa ganun age range.